Hey guys, it's me Brian of Mortar and Pastry. Today, gagawa tayo ng cheesecake brownies with pistachio katayfi. Very rich and decadent brownie and cheesecake layers, plus the added crunch and flavors from the pistachio and katayfi. Kaya naman tara, gawa na tayo.
Mortar and Pastry.
Unahin na natin yung brownie layer sa isang bowl. Melt together 250 grams dark chocolate and 6 tablespoons ng butter. On a separate bowl, beat 3 eggs, 3/4 cups dark brown sugar, and 1/4 cup sugar until foamy. Add in the melted butter and chocolate and mix into combine. To that, sift in 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, and half teaspoon ng salt. Haluin ng mabuti, then lastly fold in 150 grams of milk chocolate chunks. Transfer sa 9x9 square pan, lined with parchment paper, then set aside muna natin yan. For the cheesecake layer, beat together 250 grams of cream cheese and 1/4 cup ng sugar. Once smooth and creamy, beat in 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and lastly 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Then, pwede na natin yung ilagay sa ibabaw ng brownie layer natin kanina at ibig sa preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for around 35 minutes. Once baked, let that go completely on the side at gawin naman natin yung ating homemade katayfi. Sa isang bowl, sift together 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup ng cornstarch. Add half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 cup water, and 1 tablespoon ng oil. Haluin ng mabuti until maging ganito yung consistency, salain, at i-transfer sa piping bag. Gamit ang non-stick pan, lutuin natin over low heat by piping it into coils na parang ganito until maubos lahat ng mixture. Chop natin ng konti at isangag natin sa kawali with 1/2 stick ng butter. Haluin lang natin ng mabuti until ma-absorb lahat ng butter. Pwedeng dito nyo na siya sa kawali tostahin or pwede ring ilipat sa baking tray at tostahin natin sa oven until maging golden and crispy. Sa 200 grams ang toasted katayfi, add tayo ng 300 grams of pistachio cream. Haluin ng mabuti at pwede na natin yung i-layer sa ibabaw ng ating cheesecake brownie. Level off smoothly, then lastly, prepare na natin yung ating chocolate ganache. Sa isang bowl, combine together 200 grams of milk chocolate and 200 ml of hot cream. Palamigin until mag-set ng konti, then pour on top of our pistachio katayfi layer. Decorate with pistachio cream and top with chopped roasted pistachios. Chill for around 30 minutes for the ganache and pistachio cream to set before slicing. And that's it. Enjoy your homemade pistachio cheesecake brownies.